Hi, my name's Jason and welcome to the Clothesline Store. In this video, we're going to install a Daytek Retractable clothesline. Now, the one we're using in the demonstration is a Daytek 5-line. However, it's the same process for the 4-line, 5-line and the 6-line. Now, to install the line, it's a very simple process actually. In the box, you will receive some bolts which will allow you to put it into a masonry wall or a timber wall. In this instance, for the demonstration, we're putting it into a timber wall. In the instructions, you will get the distance to insert the bolts into the wall. So you measure that out, drill the holes and then put your bolts in. We've actually already gone ahead and done this. The bolts stick out approximately 8 millimeters. And you then insert the bolt into here and drop the clothesline on it, and it sits nice and snug. It's a very simple process, so I'm going to go ahead and do that now. And that's all that's required in putting it on the wall. Now, there's some key points to consider prior to doing this. First of all, you need to install the clothesline 50 to 100 millimeters above the person's head who's going to use it most. In addition to that, the retractable clothesline will sag. The further it comes out, the more it will sag in the middle. So you need to take that into account as well. When you use it, you put all the heavy items at the end, either at the head end or the other end. Once you've done this also, you then put the receiving bracket in place, which we'll discuss a little bit later. You can also pull this out, for example, 1 metre or 7 metres. So that means this bar can come out 1 metre and engage into the wall, or out 7 metres. That puts it ahead of a lot of other clotheslines which actually can't do that. So it's a very important factor to consider. The other item is the brake, which is on this side. So what happens, this is spring loaded. So when you pull it out and engage it into the receiving brackets, you then take the brake, rotate it and lock it in position, and that just engages the brake on the cord so it won't retract. Then when you unhook it from the receiving bracket, you then remove the brake and you walk it in, and it goes in like so. In the clothesline, you will also receive 2 receiving brackets. These are common for the 4-line, 5-line and 6-line. What these do, these effectively receive the actual end bar of the clothesline. So you'll either bolt them to a wall or a post depending on your installation. So that's all that's required when you're installing a Daytek retractable clothesline. So I hope this has helped you. My name's Jason. Thanks for visiting theclotheslinestore.com.au and bye for now.